Ali Dubai. Yes. UAE is the country. What you mean this is country, Ali Dubai? Yeah, my face look like moon. Round. Big round shapes, ha? Ah, okay. I think, oh, sir. Oo, Joel Pandak. Daghan bitaw dito. Naapoy Pandak dito nga mga apelyido. When I was in high school, ano, may mga Pandak dito sa amo ang school sa una. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. I want to be free. I want mahal you. I think you got Filipina girlfriend, yeah? Because you know what is mahal? Edwin. 7 Ara Edwin. Gibalik na ko sa iyang nanay, sir. Ay, Joel Pandak, gibalik na ko sa iyang nanay. Mabuti po. Mabuti, Edwin. Seven Ara Edwin knows how to speak Tagalog. Lipay man kaayo, oy. Mao bitaw na nga gusto na ko ma-approve ang divorce sa Pilipinas. Kay mag-file na lang kog divorce. Unfair kaayo. Na ngayon nandito sana. Ngano di ay kalatawan di akong itsura. Actually, I don't know. I don't think so. No, it's not allergy. Maybe it's dead skin. I need to scrub. Maybe it's dead skin. Need to scrub. Not an allergy. Dead skin need to scrub. Wala nakapanglugod Jewel ba? Gapangato la da ito sa mga buling libag. My mom will not understand you because she's not speaking English.